Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to insert or type finger pointing symbol or icon in MS Word using keyboard shortcut key. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, type here 1F449, then press Alt X. You can see here right side finger pointing, then hit enter, then again type here 1F448 Alt X, 1F447 and Alt X, 1F446 Alt X. You can increase size, select all, select here. You can change color also. That's it guys. So in this way you insert or type finger pointing symbols in MS Word with using keyboard shortcut key. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.